Hello, we're back with some more Godot game development. Today we're working on my JumpShipJam game. It's a 2D fighter. Not much more to say. Let's get into it. Dun, dun, dun. So I'm in collision hell. I don't know how to get my collisions to work, and that's where we're at. So I see that signals on node entered could be helpful, but that's not here. Input event maybe? No. In this tutorial, it's just here. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going for it. What did they add to their group? It just did manage groups add. Huh, maybe everything's wrong. Sure. Player. Now can I do connect signal? No. I don't understand how to add collisions. Input event? Try this. Did nothing. I don't understand. It's so frustrating. How does anybody do collisions with C sharp? Please. Need a kinematic body, maybe? Not even a thing. What's the difference between Node 2D and Area 2D? Maybe I need this. What does it need? Node has no shape, so it can't collide. What if we did this? Why doesn't it like that? It has a shape. Okay. If I give you your own shape. Aha! We have more stuff here. Body entered. Connect. Bitch. Why won't it? Ooh. I didn't do it. That was this. Stop doing that. Public void on body entered. I don't think it worked. I don't know how to edit this. Okay, Godot, good, Godot, C sharp for documentation, collisions. I just quit. I don't know how to get these collisions. At this point, it feels like I have to do it in GD script or not do it at all. Try this. Oh shit. That's a collision. Who's static body 2D? The ground? What if I don't want to collide with the ground? What about that? What if I put you guys on a different collision layer, maybe? Boom. Okay, I need to figure out what the difference is between a layer and a mask. Go for collision layer versus mask. World will always be on layer, and mask decides the body can collide with objects in that layer. So a mask enabled allows it to collide with objects in that layer. And the layer is what layer it's on. Okay, so let's say I want ground on layer 8. But if and it can collide with one. But okay, so yeah, let's try that. Okay. And for the player, I would like to only collide with layer 8 and layer 3, which will be the player or the enemy. Should we make enemy 3? Yeah, let's make enemy 3. It can collide with enemy and ground, and not itself, and not its fist, and the enemy fist. And for the enemy, oh, that was character. Shit. I forgot I have to defer it. Okay, well, let's just put it on layer 2 for now and test it. See if we can collide with the player only. Okay, we're still colliding with static body 2D. Which is on layer 8, because we allowed that, right? We want to unallow that. Which will probably make us fall through, so we probably need a new plant. Yep. Nice. But it only happened to the player. That was interesting, no? We're not doing this anymore, are we? No? Why did that only happen to the player? Are we handling gravity through code? Maybe, is that why? I forget. Yeah, I think we are. Yeah, we are. So the enemy just doesn't have any input yet, that's why. Okay, so maybe we can get some info from this collision. If collision dot, I don't know, group something, or is, if collision is, excuse me. What can we glean from this? Okay, this works. Get script. No, I don't want that. I want to look into this. Yo, what's up, Toaster? How's it going? I'm just struggling through collision hell. Trying to do collisions in C# in Godot is not going well. Seems like they just want you to do collisions in GD script. Where I'm dumb. I'm able to get this collision now, but I'm trying to figure out the layers and masking because it's printing on the body, I mean on the ground every time. And I only want it to print when we touch the other person, basically. That's what I'm trying to figure out. And I want to call a function on the enemy script as the ultimate goal from a collision. So I'm trying to figure out if collision is enemy, but that doesn't work because it's this type. So I'm trying to figure out what to do with this type. Shot in the Dark. What was that song I liked last stream? Ooh. Um. Let me think. I can't recall. Sorry. I listen to a lot of music. Neighbors walking in. Collision 2D is now character 2D, I think. Well, I'm okay. So I'm using this character is a character body 2D, but I couldn't figure out a function to get it to print any code on collision. So I found this random loop that does it on the update, on the physics update, and gets all slide collisions, I guess. It's the only way I've been able to do it so far. Let me know if you know anything else. If you know any code, I can just add to the script that's attached to the character body 2D. Problem is, I can't figure it out in C sharp. Lots of GD script tutorials, but not so much C sharp. I know I'm close. I'm just trying to extract the object from the collision. But I'm getting collisions now, which is exciting. Finally. I kind of understand layers and masks-ish. The one thing that's really stupid is that both my player and my enemy use this character, but the character has the collision. So I'm gonna actually, I guess I just realized I'm just gonna have to move the collision to the parent so I can change the layers properly. Hmm. Okay, interesting. So I should just go ahead and do that now, I guess. Yeah, I'm using C sharp. I've been using C sharp for so long, and I don't like white space languages generally, so I've been very hesitant to try GD. Okay, so I need to move this out so I can do different layers with it. Uh, so copy, player, paste. Sick. This should work better. I just figured it out by explaining it to you. That's awesome. I've been trying to figure this out for a while. You like this music, Toaster? Young, lovely little girl from people named was walking in. I wonder if I move it out of the character, if it'll work. I bet it still will. I'm gonna test it in a second here. I guess I'll just leave this in for now since it's breaking. I'll just change this. It should be on, character should be on 9 for now. And then player will be on, well, tricky. I might have to extract the character body as well. Good, I like you. I'm glad you like the music. Does any of this stuff come from character body 2D? Yeah, we're rooting from it. But do we need to? Or break? Probably, right? Yeah. So this code does need to be on the character body. I guess it's not reading this as the collision shape because it's using this, possibly. Damn, this is annoying. I wish I had my prefab variants at this moment. I know there's a way around it. I can't figure it out. I would love to have a base character script, but it feels like I should just swap over to custom hard code for player and enemy. Maybe I'll just do that. Maybe I'll just do that. What if I just move all this code to player and get rid of the character? Then I would have to make this a character. Body 2D. Do I want to do that? Maybe I'll try it because I'm just kind of stuck. It's gonna be messy. I'll fix it. Why does my tab not work? It's so frustrating. Ready? Set input. Okay. Now we get rid of the character by creating a new player from character body 2D. Oop, not like that. New scene. Sick. A super. Want to see a short clip I made? Sure. Yeah. Nice. I like it. Very nice. That'd be hilarious, dropping in the middle of low items. That's awesome. Awesome. Thanks for showing me. Okay. Should work. We're gonna put you on layer 2? No. You can be on layer 5, 3. I don't know. 2. You respond to 1 and 3 and 4 and 5. Those will be the enemy and the enemy hand. Cool? Cool. So now see if these work. That's funny, close. Okay, now it doesn't take my input. Probably because these are wrong now. Character doesn't exist. Which is why we need to change this to set input and set attack input. And this should work now. Sick. And we're not printing collisions, but if we'd like to, maybe we can. It also is breaking when I attack. This probably means it doesn't have the animator player. But it should, which is weird. This action, press left click, right click. Wonder why it's breaking now. Debugger. Errors. It's 88 and then 74. Get mouse section. Oh, is it the high input threshold maybe? Ah, right. We got rid of character. There it is. Reload. Get rid of this. Replay. Now it works. Awesome. Okay, let's get the collisions working now. So this does print collisions, but we need to get the character attached, or the script attached to the collision object. So, collision dot. Let's get to variant. Emit signal. Okay, maybe we just need to check if it's enemy and do the code from here instead of pinging them. Check local collision and check type. So maybe we can do that through grouping or something. Is class? Oh, sick. Wait, it returns true if the object inherits from the group class. This might work. Is class... Does it need a type? String? Try this. Nope. I guess this doesn't inherit. We need to get your reference. Why can't I get, like, your body? Body? Script? I don't know what to do. Piggy, stop bitching. Good boy. Piggy. Okay, what if I can do this really jankily? What if I... What if I just print... Check the name. Piggy, stop. If name equals new enemy. Then do this. Why does it keep trying to save? Oh, I haven't saved this? Wait, no, I did. New enemy, new player, save. Why does it want to save as player? Do they need to be named the same? Maybe I already yelled one. Boom, boom. Enemy. Rename. Save. Cancel. Rename enemy. Oh shit. Did I fuck up? Okay, no, it's fine. New enemy. Okay. It's fine. Okay, now everything is named okay. Oh, okay. Bad, not good. Times move slow. It's a solid. Failed to build. Yeah, I bet. I screwed it up. I need to get rid of this. Now what do you play for me? This? Sweet. Oh! We have collisions. It worked. Okay. We're moving. Oh, wow. That's exciting. Enemy is no longer flipping though. Right, we got rid of character. We need to move all this code into enemy as well. Because we're sloppy coders. Or can enemy just be another player? What if it just controls player? Would that work? Yes, I'm mucho. Oh, looks smooth AF. All the time fiddling in Photoshop was worth. So worth it. Floppy code is the reason I can't win jackpot. Exactly. Hopefully all the time fiddling in Photoshop was worth it. The code isn't, it's coming along, but we got a lot to do. And I'm kind of stuck because I need to copy all of this code to the enemy. I can't figure out a good way to reuse it for both. So I'm gonna have two. The man, there's a quote: "The man with two watches never knows what time it is." It applies here. I don't want to have two places where I'm doing all the same things, but I can't figure out another way to do it, so I'm just doing it sloppily. Basically. So these are the ones we had already. We don't need character. We do need to init with our in already. Do we have ready already? I think we do. Yeah. So let's init at the end of this. Okay, what else did we have? We had physics process, get input, and we weren't doing anything there, so I can just get rid of that. Don't need the input threshold in the enemy. Guess I'll keep it. No, I don't need it. Do I want it? Yeah, I guess I'll keep it. We'll grab that. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo. Character body 2D. Nice. Okay, and are we editing the player? I don't think we did. We were supposed to do that. Must have gotten rid of it. Init player. Where's this again? Flip false. There we go. More of a shoeless cobbler myself. Nice. Reload. What's wrong? Oh, so enemy still. Oh, it should be good. Enemy can't derive from character body 2D? Why not? I did it on player. What's wrong? Try it again. No? Script inherits, so it can't be assigned to object type node 2D. It's not. It's not at all. Main scene. New. Oh wait, these are old. Add the new one. Enemy player. Player goes left. Enemy goes right. Okay, let's try that. Nope, still breaking. Okay. That's annoying. They're the same thing. Players on layer 2, collective 145. Layer 4, 1, 2, 3. That's fine. Why is it saying it's on a node TD when it's not? That's frustrating. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo. El dedo. You're stupid. I'm doing the same thing on player and enemy. What's the problem here? Enemy is just a copy of player, matter of fact, so I'll just copy player again. Do that. Get out of here. Biatch. Biatch. Pissame. Wait, what did I delete if I didn't delete? Okay. It's back. Now, will you work? Bésame, bésame mucho. You're lying! I just did it on the player. What's wrong now? Switch enemy all of a sudden starts tripping. Starts tripping. Where exactly is it coming from? Let's figure that out. Enemy 0. But why? We're doing the same exact thing. Literally the only difference is the one we'd call get input and the other one we don't. Wait. Wait. This shouldn't be doing any input. This should be commented out. But that's not the problem. It's just a problem. Yeah. What the heck? Enemy is not a node 2D. It's a character 2D. Do I need to make a whole ass new scene for it? I will. Let's do it. I'll make a new scene. You think I'm scared? Nope, not that. New scene. Enemy. Set script. Player. Wait, save it first. Enemy. Save. Go back to player. Copy all your children. How about now, bitch? Wait, why is this character? No, I don't want character. I'm done with character. I need enemy. Still gonna give me issues on it. Yep. Kill yourself. Can't be assigned to an object type of node 2D, but it's not. It's assigned to motherfucking character 2D. Crazy. It's the same shit. Okay, what if I just make it a second player, literally? What if? What if copy player, player 2, and in player 2, player 2, I set this to... What if I just leave it on player? Let's try that first. Would probably work with both of them. No, it's still broken. I guess it isn't just working on player like I thought it was earlier. Huh. But it was some lost. I'm so unhelpful. Calling this a node 2D, but it's literally just not. It's a character bug 2D. Why is this not working anymore? Might be calling it quits soon for tonight. It's so frustrating. They literally haven't changed it. Is this the right? Yeah, it is. Piggy, stop bitching. Oh, right. Player. Okay, that's what we did change. What is that looking at? Character? Right. Hey, Piggy, stop. I run it just the player. Get rid of this. Does it come from player now? Like it was enemy before? No, it's still coming from enemy 0, right? Maybe I need to close my project. Because enemy wasn't even in the scene. Why is it an issue? Shouldn't be. Huh, interesting. Still an issue, but it's not even in the... Not even in the scene. This song is crazy. Oh, this is so weird. I don't understand. I had it working. Oh, it's giving me issues from error from enemy. What if I just make this into 2D even though I'm not using it? Wait, why is it red? Why is it red? Oh, because it's errors. Now it runs. Wait, why does it work right now? From commenting that shit out an enemy. This is so confusing. That input. It works on player, but not on enemy. What the heck? Ah, this is crazy. Why does this makes no sense? Enemy is not allowed to be a character body 2D, but player is. They're the same. They're just scripts. It's just the same thing. Maybe I'll make a new enemy script. Get freaky with it. Enemy. Get rid of this one. New script. Player 2. Okay. Now attach player 2 to enemy. We could even duplicate it. Go check out player 2. Player 2. Load player 2. Okay. Let's get rid of enemies. Now let's run the main scene. All good so far. Add player 2. Still good. He's copying our input though, as expected. Because we have to, oops. We have to disable his input for now. Tired. And now, boom, we're back. I don't know why that script is being so weird. Godot bug, maybe. Okay, here we're going to end it with player 2. And we're going to flip. Now in player 2, we need to set your collisions. Should be on layer, player heads, enemy. Allow 1, 2, 3. And then let's turn on this collision code again. See what happens. Where'd it go? Here it is. Player 2. Boom. Boom! We got collisions, baby. Yeah, baby! Sorry for the yell. We're moving. Little smoke break. Player 2. Attack. Excuse me. No, player 2, front hand. Excuse me again, wow. If we collide with player 2 front hand, we want to take damage. And we want to add some force backwards, maybe. So maybe we'll move this up. And then we'll set... God, my tabs don't work. Why don't my tabs work? Anybody know why my tabs aren't working in VS Code? Let me know. Okay, if I enter here, sweet. Velocity dot x plus equals minus equals No, I want to add a force, but we don't have a rigid body yet, so I can't do that yet. Just wait. Well, it worked. Player took damage, and now we want to do the same thing in enemy. Get this here. And player 1 front hand. Enemy take damage. Player 2 front hand. I think I have to rename something up here. Guess not. Sick. And I have to go to player. Player 1 front hand. Now I want to add a collision to this. Why do you do this collision shape? Which needs something, a shape. Circle. Scale. 2 maybe? I don't know. 1.5. That's probably good. Let's move it. And turn off gravity, maybe? It needs a... Right, we need the rigid body first. Body. And the rigid body... We need to move this back to 0. This here. Then we need to move the collision layer. It is on layer, player hands is 3. And it accepts layers 4 only, enemy. Maybe I should move enemy to hold new palette. It might be easier. Yeah, I might do enemy. Because I'm gonna have blocks as well. Let's plan ahead. I don't know what the issue was, Toaster. I just deleted the whole enemy script and made a new one from scratch and it worked. So I think it was just a Godot bug. Really annoying. Super frustrating. Okay, so then let's put player hands on Tim for now. And we want to turn off gravity. 0. And that's good. That's it. Oh no, it needs to apply to enemy, which is going to be 17. So let's go back to the enemy, player 2. Change your collision to accept 1 player hands, player block. Anything player, really. Don't allow anything else. And you're going to live on 17. And you need hands, which will live on 18. And you will accept collisions from... Wait, mask is... What can collide with it, which is nothing. So I should change that back up to player 1. Nothing should be able to collide with this. Wait, no, yes. Player body, duh. Player body. It's player 2 body. Collides with player 1 hands. Player 2 hands collides with player 1 body. And player 1 body needs to be on 9. Player 1 body needs to be on 9. And it accepts from 1 needing enemy. Okay. Let's try this. I don't think it'll work, but we'll see. So it should be... Oh, wait, I need to... Hmm. No, it should be fine. This should work. Oh, big errors. We're fine, though. Okay, it's not colliding yet. It also, for some reason, the collider I just added for my fist doesn't follow my body. So that's annoying. Area. We're in player, so player hand is 10. And it can hit enemy body. Move it. Let's try this one. You will be on 18 and so maybe? Okay, it seems to fix where I'm jumping on it, but it doesn't accept the collision yet. Oh wait. I wonder if it's colliding and has a different name. So I'm gonna test that. Got player. Player 2. What about this? It's not hitting this at all. What? It's on 18. Player should accept 18. Yeah. Does it also have to be here? Could try that. Because I think I should be walking into his hand. Where's the logs? Player 2. Fighting body 2D. Hey, what's up, Captain Fubar? Layer, who am I? Mask, who to collide with? A quick and small mnemonic. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just learning that. Thank you so much for the help. Right now, I have this area 2D with a collision for the fist, and I have that on the player and the enemy. And I'm trying to get a log when I run into the enemy's fist, and vice versa. But it's having trouble. I don't know what kind of body I need. I was trying with a collision shape burst, but it was getting in the way with physics. So I just want it to trigger. I don't need it to beat physics, I think. Area TD is your hurt box, right? Maybe not. Needs a layer set. True, doesn't need to be monitoring. Good point. Yeah, it needs a layer. So I have this group is from my player 1, and this group is from my player 2. So I have player 1 body on 9, player 1 fist on 10, and then player 2 body on 17, player 2 fist on 18. So player 1 fist is on 10, and it accepts. It can, what is it? The mnemonic? Who to collide with? It collides with enemy player 2 body, basically. Damage identified with enemy with a hurt box. Yep, so I'm trying to get a ping in my player script right now when I collide with my player 2 hand to take damage. Right now I'm just printing the name to see if I am colliding with the fist at all, which I should be, I feel like, but I'm not. Here's the main scene. I wonder if it's when I flip, it doesn't work right. How am I flipping again? Let's check that real quick. I think we flip model, character model scale. Who's character model? Just model, okay. So, oops. Model gets flipped. Shouldn't be a problem. It's not touching the collider at all. It's so far out over here though, on player 2. Maybe that's why. Yeah, that's definitely why, duh. Because we flip the model. What? How do our hands flip? They're not under the model. I must be flipping body root too. Yeah, I am. Okay. So it just says in the wrong spot. Should be right here. And then I only want to collide player 2 front hand. Let's just turn this off for now. Test this. Yo, what's up, Mega? Are you winning, son? Kinda. I got some collisions going, but I'm stuck on separating the fists out with the body and taking both. But you can't move into the other person, and I'm able to print some collisions, so we're moving. Captain said, what is the layer set for the fist? So the player one is on layer 9. And that was just a test. It's on player 9. Player 1 fist is on layer 10. Player 2 is on layer 17. Player 2 fist is on layer 18. Where's the hurt box on the player scene? It's through the character body 2D. So it's this box right here. Collision shape. It's on 9. And it can see the ground, which is 1, and anything player 2, which is this group. It works for the ground. I'm able to detect the ground. I'm able to walk into the enemy and detect it. I'm just not able to detect the fist yet. So maybe area 2D is not right, or I need a rigid body or something. Try that next, I think. A rigid body, maybe. Because I'm able to collide with the static body and the other character body 2D. In order to simply code in a responsibility, you can add a new area 2D that monitors incoming hitboxes. Yeah, I think I'm having trouble making the fist a hitbox basically at the moment. It's not registering within my working player hitbox. Because this works for detecting the ground and the other player. So maybe I'll try body. A rigid body again. I tried that first, but it didn't work. I don't recall why. Oh yeah, the rigid body is like weird. It gets stuck in the way with the physics. So it would work if I could make it kinematic, as I would say in Unity, where it doesn't interact with the physics. Wait, no, sorry, a trigger, where it doesn't interact with the physics, but you get a collision. That would be ideal. So the player hand is on 10, and it can see anything. It can see the enemy body. That's it. But I don't know how to make it just like a trigger. Problem is, I get stuck on it. I'll show you what it looks like real quick. If I do this, move it. If I do that, then it's like it's not happening at the moment. Sometimes it's like in the air and I get stuck on it. Maybe I should add a sprite on it. Help. Texture, color. Let's make it pink or something. Oh, it fell. That's why I forgot to turn the gravity off. Gravity scale is 0. Do you know, Captain, if there's anything like making it a trigger that makes it not physics, but you get the collisions? See, I guess it's working fine at the moment. Maybe the layering fixed it. But still, we're not getting any collision ping from it. Oh, wait, I guess we wouldn't be. Hold on. I would need to add it to the enemy. And then I move it to the hand. Now let's test. Oh, wait. The layer. Add a new area 2D, call it Hurtbox. You can have multiple on the player. I literally call it Hurtbox? Sorry, I misunderstood. Let's see. Area 2D. Hurtbox? Tripping. So I wasn't getting pings from the area 2D is the issue. You should be on layers. Layer 2 fist. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, that's what I thought you were saying. It's a concept. So for a second, I thought you were trying to tell me it's modular or something. Yeah, here's where this is the physics thing I was talking about. I get stuck on his fist, I guess. No pass through. Delivers damage from whatever. This in your case. The turret box just exotic boxes. Right. Makes sense. So I need to make a hitbox for the fist. Yeah, no, I get that part. I'm trying to get the hitbox to work on the fist. Is the part that I'm stuck on, and not make it physics collidable. I was trying to do that with an area SUD a second ago, but I couldn't get it to react. I'll try that again. Let's see. Player. Add an area 2D under the fist. And then it'll need a collision shape. Copy that one. Sounds weird. Zero this out. And put it on the fist. And then do the same for, wait, reset the layer. Player 1 is on 10, and it hits 17. Area 2D collision should be on 18 and it hits 9. Hitbox only needs the layer set, no need for mask. Good point. Thank you. Doesn't really need the mask. So if there's no masks, it's everything, I guess. Yeah, add another area 2D on the player bodies. Player. I shall do as you say. Area 2D. You sure I need a new area 2D? Because I already have the character body 2D with the collision shape, which seems to be okay. Accepting incoming damage. I shall do as you say. Hurt box. It's on layer 9 for player. Tags. Once again, physics bodies do physics position area 2D does damage detection. Define the position shape of the hurt box through the area where it gets damaged. Gotcha. Working on it. We have hurt box. So do I need a script directly on hurt box or can I have it on the parent? Let's see. Let's copy this to enemy. Switch up the music, I think. Player 2 hurt box should be on 17. Your fist. Define the position shape of the hurt box. Right. Gets damage. The hurt box is only monitoring. Use the mask set. And needs only the mask set. Interesting. Makes sense because it's only monitoring. Makes sense. Thank you for the help, Captain. I appreciate it. So it needs a mask, which will be on. Are we on player 2? So player 1's mask. Monitoring only. Mask player will be opposite of the opponent. Mask player will be the opponent's hitboxes layer. Right. Wait. The hurtbox mask layer will be the opponent's hitboxes. Let me think about that. If the mask is who I'm looking for, the body is looking for the enemy's fist. I think that's what you're saying. So the mask should be where the enemy's fist is, which would be 18 for player. Player 2, it would be 10. So player 1's fist needs to be on 10, and player 2's should be on 18. Oh, wait, layer. Wait, no. The hitboxes should be on layer, right? And the hurtbox is on masks. Isn't that what you said? Hitbox should be layer with only monitorable. Hitbox set layer. Yeah, that's what I thought. Sorry, I was getting a little confused, but that's what I thought. Thank you. So we're on player 2. 18. Okay. How do I connect code to this? Signals? Can you use signals with C#? I was trying to earlier and I couldn't. On the hurtbox. Area entered. What I would do earlier is I'd hit connect, it would go to the code and it would do nothing. I don't know, I didn't know where to go from there, which is how I ended up with this looping check for kinematic collisions. That's why it's not working, because I don't want my fist to be kinematic. That's why I couldn't detect it. You need to connect through code in C#. I don't know how. Do you know how to go further than where I've just gone? I hit this and I hit connect, and then it took me to the code and did nothing. I added this thing. If I hit edit, it just goes back to the code and does nothing. I feel like it's supposed to add the function. Like I think that's what I've seen it do in GD script, but it seems like just broken on C#. Go to method, doesn't work either. Yeah, it only adds in GD script, and I couldn't figure out in the docs what the method is supposed to be for collision receiving, which is how I ended up with this loop. And now we're caught up. Send me a link. Thank you. I appreciate it. I really appreciate the help. Because these collisions are killing me. C# signals. I'm using the timer already, so that's good. In addition, what is that? Oh wow, I've been on for a while. Should get off soon. Oh, I need this. Cool. So declare a custom event, use the signal attribute. Delegate needs to end with an event handler. Sick, so I just create my own events basically. That's super easy. I just didn't know the handler. Thanks for the link. Use public delegate to connect them as an example. Don't forget to use the parameter in the signal. Right. Which should be area 2D for me, right? My tabs are broken in VS Code. Can you magically fix that too, buddy? When I tab, there's nothing. It's like tabbing through these basically, not through the code. On area entered, it is an area 2D. Yeah, so I figured it would be. Area 2D. This would be, what is it called? On per box area entered. Should call it this, right? And I should finish reading the docs. Area entered. Once this is done, Godot created events automatically behind the scenes. You can then use the set events. Code ready. My signal plus equals add code. Right. To emit signals. Okay. Now define the callback. Yeah, and then we should be good. I would think. God, this tab thing is so annoying. Let me know if you know how to fix that. What is it? Void probably? Say hello to area 2D, area 2D. Where's my Log. Area 2D passed on is the hitbox of the opponent. Right. Makes sense. Thank you. It's giving me some issue. It's type, but it's used like a variable. That's how they were doing it. Maybe it's different with the parameter. Get any values of the script, just use owner property. Owner is the root node of a packed scene. Oh, sick. I didn't know that. So I would do area2d dot owner, and it would give me my enemy script, basically, is what you're saying? That's awesome. Thank you. God, what would I do without Captain Fubar? That's sick. Do you know what's going on here, by the way? Is a type, but he's used like a variable. But I feel like I'm doing it just like they did. Except for their example didn't have a parameter. They're using... Oh no, it's with argument. Oh wait, this doesn't... This is named differently than this, so it might be different. You need to connect it in the ready method. Yeah, that's what I was just trying to do. I just don't... It was giving me this. That's what I'm trying to do right now. It says that the delegate is a type, but is used like a variable. So, not sure what to do with that. Pascal case. Oh, that's this, I think. I forget what Pascal case is, honestly. Yeah, that's what I thought. No, it still doesn't like it. Type use like a variable. Ah! Same for signal name, I think. Why is this red? All right, this. What is the error? It thinks that it is a variable. Yeah, it says. Well, no, it says it thinks it's a type, but it's used like a variable. It thinks it's a type. I don't even know what that means, so that's why I'm lost. It is. I don't. I don't know what to do with that. Thinks it's a type. Note that the name of this delegate needs to end with an event handler. Duh. Duh. Yeah, thank you. Nope. Duh. Still didn't work. Oh my mama. Maybe I also need to put it here, but I don't know. Probably not. Still broken, huh? I really thought that was gonna fix it. Oh, does your name have to do with foo bar like this? That's funny. Remember that from a coding class, I feel like. You can remove the connection through the interface, does nothing. Okay, sick, thank you. Has 2 bars, foo bar and foo bar. Sick. I feel like we're so close, but so far. I'm tired. Military acronym. I didn't know that. Fucked up. Beyond all repair. Huh. I didn't know that. Good to know. We learn something new every day. I don't know why they use foo and bar. I just remember seeing it in a class or a program somewhere. I have no idea. You have any idea, foo bar? Maybe if I retype it. What if I try just the about? Still not gonna work. Oh, this is annoying. I thought this was gonna work. Yeah, it's like Hello World-esque. Alright, Fubar, what you got for me? Type used like a variable. I think we're screwed. Am I gonna have to learn GD script? You're assigning something to that, but it's not a variable. It's a delegate void. I'm not assigning, I'm adding the delegating the function to it, right? Should be able to do this too. You said, baby. Yeah, no. What does another variable look like in C sharp? Another variable, a variable would be like, this isn't a variable because it's a void, I'm pretty sure. A variable would be like a class type or a integer, a value type, or. But this is a delegate, which is like an action. So you can like add, you're supposed to be able to add to actions. Like this makes sense to me through the code, but I don't know why I won't accept it. Supposed to be able to add functions to actions to be called on. Maybe I just need to look up delegates and Godot for C# delegates. I only loosely understand the concept. Oh, you do? What's up, Fubar? What you got? You need a reference to the hurt box. I need a reference to the hurt box from the player. Then what? To the area 2D or the collision node? Ready, hurt box, get node, area 2D, something like this. Okay, then what? Connect the signal. All right, we'll start there. Was that what they were doing at the bottom of the page? Down here? I didn't really read through that yet, but I can. Signal emission. Okay, so let's get rid of this, this, and this. So then we'll go to player. We'll add the hurtbox node, area 2D. Hurtbox. Okay, player get node hurtbox should work. Then you said connect the signal. Let me give you another doc page using signals. Thank you, by the way. Am I supposed to be at the bottom of the page? Scene setup, connecting signal in the editor, connecting setup video code. Perfect. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Feels like we're onto something. Go down and connecting through code. C# examples. Second example should clarify. Don't forget the parameter. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are the man. Tis the leaving that's hard. Sick. And then that should be it. Right? Area 2D on enter. Use area owner to get the root node's name. Thanks. Where did I put that? It's up here. Dot owner. Dot. Thanks. Okay. When our hurt box is entered, so I have to walk into his fist. Oh, it didn't work. Let's check our nodes. Player 2. Wait, do I have a hurt box in player 1 already? Yeah, I do. And it is on 18, layer 18. And the enemy's fist is on layer mask 10. No, that's a hurt box, sorry. Fist is on 18, layer 18. Hitbox is on fists, hurt box is on masks. Did I have it on the mask 18? Did I say that right? Oh, it's on layer 18. It should be on mask 18. Have to have the correct reference to the hurt box, rename the area 2D to hitbox. Rename the area 2D to hitbox. This one, yeah. Okay, so hitbox is on players is on layer 10. No, it should be on mask. No, hitbox layer 10. And layer 18 for the enemy. Hurt boxes are on mask 18 for the player. Should also be on 1, right? Well, no, that's just the hurt box. So it doesn't. Should be on 10. Let me notepad this out. I have player hurt box on. What do I have on? I'm so tired. Hurtbox is on mask 18. Layer hitbox is on layer 10. Hurtbox is on mask 10. Enemy hurtbox is on layer 18. This look right to you? Let's see. No need to have them on different layers. Can the player hit himself? No, he can't. He cannot hit himself, which is why I have them on different layers. Does this look right to you? Player hurtbox, mask 18, enemy. Ooh, this should be hitbox, sorry. Hitbox. And enemy hurtbox, layer. Keep them all in the same layer mask. Okay. Let's just put them on land for now. Okay, they're all on 9. Still nothing yet. Hurtbox mask, hitbox layer. Oh, right. Hitbox. Yeah, I still have that. Hurtbox needs to be on mask though. Duh. Sorry, I'm dumb and tired. Dumb and tired. Thank you. Still nothing. Tired, not dumb, yes. And high. Check our box reference. It does look good to me, so I'm lost. Player 2 hitbox, layer 9. Player 1 hurtbox, mask 9. Monitoring. I don't know, dude. Don't know. What's the name of the callback method? Test area entered. Or area entered. Should we do shape entered maybe? Do we need to get rid of the collisions maybe? Or do we need them on for it to work? I guess we do need them when we're using collision layers. I don't know what to do. For box shape, is this rectangle? And I have a spread on it so I can see it. Where is it? It's under Hurtbox. And this extra one I could get rid of, but it's off. Oh, player needs one. Forgot. What's player on? Maybe I'll get rid of that. No, I liked it better before. I know, dude. In GD script, it's a click of the button. That's why I just keep hitting myself. Do I have to go learn GD script? Do I have to start this damn thing over? I already have all the input and some of the animations set up in C sharp, and I'm so comfortable in C sharp. I wish that this just fucking worked. Maybe I give up and try it again tomorrow. I don't know why this doesn't work. Feels like it should. Our box already entered. What if we just try adding a layer and mask for fun? We'll do it on this as well. Wait. Why is this on 18? Maybe that was why. It's not supposed to be on 18, it was supposed to be on 9. They were all on 9. Or maybe it was when I did all that undo. But still. Let's try it again on 9. 9. 9. Our box should be on layer only. Mask. Nope. You know what? Just set layer and mask on 9 on both. At least get some collision paper, maybe. That's. Oh, it's just trying. Oh, on everything, layer and mask? On everything? Try that. Player as well, just in case. Alright, everything's on 9. Can't walk through him, but we're still not getting the code. Also, my click input doesn't work now for some reason. Get input. Set input. Wonder why. It's weird. Maybe it's this. Looks like signal connection is not working. Agreed. And also my input broke. I can't use my clicking animations. Wish I could help more with C sharp, but I don't use it. Thank you. You've been plenty of help. Thank you so much, Fubar. Probably just gonna call it a night. Try again tomorrow, maybe. That looping collision thing was working, but only with physics. So maybe I just have to go physics. I don't know. I either have to try that, I think, or learn GD script, maybe restart this thing. But I don't even have enough time to do that, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My animations are broken too. It doesn't even stick with it anyways. What a mess. When does the jam end? 10 days. I guess I could learn GD script if I really wanted to. The collision doesn't even stick with the hand in the animations, so I'm kind of fucked. No, not 24 hours. This is day number 8 of me working on it. It was a 30-day jam. Maybe I can set the pivot and fix this thing or something. I think I can change the pivot somehow. Nope. It's not. Only on the sprite. Do you have the signal attribute on your event handler? Yeah, we tried that too, Mega. Got stuck there too. Thank you though. 10 days you can have a full-blown fighting simulator. I wish. It's been so frustrating. Making me want to quit making games. This is so fucked. Doesn't even stick with the fist. I think, look at the complete example in the code you linked. I don't think we missed anything. I think probably our masks and layers are just fucked. It's my best guess. I don't know. Can you do a print? Print where? That's what I'm trying to do from the callback. Do a print of the reference hurt box variable at the top. At the top after line 32. Oh, just to see if we got the reference? Okay. No. Wow. Huge. You're a genius. Ah, it's the B. Ah! I'm gonna kill myself. You're a genius. Thank you so much, Fubar. Just a simple log, that's all I needed. Let's go ahead and add the hurt box to the player 2 while we're at it. I'm gonna kill myself. Print it to make sure it worked. There we go. God damn it. God damn it, god damn it, god damn it. Ah. Why is C# not throwing an error here? Where? Oh yeah, why is it not throwing an error? Because the C# error system sucks, dude. It won't give me any errors. All the time I have errors, it won't tell me. I feel like this C# implementation sucks. Okay, now our layers are probably still messed up. Oh wait. Player take damage from self because our layers are messed up. So what if we try it like you were saying earlier, where you think we can try this setup again? I think we can. Enemy hurt box mask 10. Enemy hitbox layer 18. Wait, shit, I'm on player. Player hitbox 10. Layer 10. Hurt box mask 18. Hurt box mask 10. Hitbox layer 18. No longer taking player damage. It's lit. If I walk... Oh, took enemy damage somehow. From player. Maybe it's reaching him somehow? I don't think so, though. No, it's just when I'm walking around. Oh, wait. No, it's when I hit this barrier. I wonder why it's so far out, though. It's the animation, you think? Yeah, probably. I don't know how to do collisions with animations. Kind of going to be screwed there, I think. But we're getting collisions. That's huge. That's huge for us. So enemy took damage from player. Now player takes damage from enemy. So he's taking it too soon, but I'm taking it on time, it seems like. Yeah, I'm taking it right on time. That's hype. That's huge. I don't know why Hazel's taking so early. They both hit each other. Whoa. What is this? That's why. What happened to... Jesus. That's why. Duh. What's it supposed to be, the size? 80 by... 1 by 1? What? Oh wait, it's hitbox. 1 1. 5 by 9. Oh, that's right. This one's wrong. It's also 5 by 9. Sweet. Now it should work. They both just tiny bit, just a tiny bit large. I think it works now. Yeah, it works, except for it's not aligned with the animation, but it fucking works. Good shit, guys. Especially Fubar. This is huge. Thanks so much, Fubar. We have a fucking game. We have a fucking game now, dude. We're gonna be able to finish. 10 days, whole blown fighting simulator. Exactly. Hopefully. I'm also moving in the next 2 weeks, and I'm launching a game, a mobile game. It's hopefully going to be top 100 with a big gaming company. We start our soft launch next week, and then we'll get to the U.S. sometime beginning of next year, like Marchish. You'll be able to play in the U.S. But we're starting in Brazil next week. I keep hearing footsteps, baby. Ubar, I don't know if you're here for. I don't think you were here for the designing of the game. I mean, it seems kind of simple from the visuals, I guess. But basically, it's a fighting game, and when I get a punch in, he turns into a 4, and I turn into a 6, and I win when I'm a 10. And that's pretty much it. There's the punching, high, low, medium, blocking, high, low, medium, and then I'm gonna have, if you press left and right click at the same time, it'll be a grab. We're trying to figure out what the grab's gonna do. We think maybe it'll switch your numbers. Like if you're a 4 and they're a 6, you become a 4 and they become a 6, or vice versa. That'd be cool, maybe for the grab. Nope, I'm not from Brazil. I'm from Texas. Living in Vegas right now. I'm about to move back to Texas, but my company's based in Brazil. But my team's remote, so I work from home. I'm so excited these collisions are working. You have no idea. You just sit here all day and watch the vlogs. Now I just gotta line up the thing. I think I can just keyframe the collision transform into each animation. That'd be a lazy way to do it. And then I have to set up the blocking sequence. Like if you get hit while you're blocking, I guess I'll do that in the hit code. Either block or take damage. Take damage, I think I'll add like a maybe like a physics bounce, like push back might be cool. Like a and maybe a block is like a lighter version of that. You should move back a little bit. I think some feedback would be cool. Iteration speed of implementing functionality is incomparable in GD script. I should give it a chance. I really should, and it would be good to flex my brain. I will at some point. I'll probably finish this in C sharp, and then my next one maybe I'll learn GD. Messed with Sigma a long time ago. Editor pretty much messed with the code for me. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, I just need to get over the really like 30, 60 minute hump of learning the syntax that I really don't want to. And then I'm sure to be fine. Object, node, class, and scene tree. Thank you. Ah, collisions, baby. Goddamn collisions. I wonder if I should have like a like you can't get closer than this. Probably. I don't have dash movement. That's a good, interesting idea. I currently have jump. I'm thinking about getting rid of jump. Um, I haven't decided yet. A dash might be interesting. True, my physics box can be bigger, so I can't get as close. I could do that. I wonder, I'm really interested in, so I kind of just copied all of the child nodes from player one into the player two scene. And I wonder if I edit these animations, is it the same animation file as the other one? I think it is. It should be, right? It should be the same animation. It wouldn't copy the animation references just by copying the player, right? I don't think so. If it's a copy, then yes, they're linked, or yes, they're new animations. I guess I could just test it real quick. I don't know. I don't know how I should test it without destroying it. Maybe I'll change attack to. Why is it? Maybe it shouldn't be 0.6. Shouldn't it be 0.3? Interesting. I think it should be. Did I make medium faster on purpose? I wonder. I don't think so. Well, now I can test it. See if it applied to player one. Wow, there's copy of the animations. That's crazy. Damn, that sucks. Wait, the references to the same subsources. Animation manage. You can identify if your resources are shared if they have the same path. It says that I just have one copy, but when I went and changed the duration on my player 2 animations to 0.3, it didn't copy onto my player 1 animations. So I think they're I think it's a copy, which is crazy. I'm really annoyed. I just want to have like a root, a child node that's a character node that I can use for both players and update once instead of having two copies of everything. I just couldn't figure out a way to do that in Godot yet, at least. I tried the inherited scene and it seemed to do nothing. Anyways, it's late. I save the animation library. Add library. Save library. Okay. And now what do I import that on my player 2 somehow? Load library. Boom. And I get rid of these now? I hope so. Don't delete them all again. Thanks, Mega. I don't know if that worked because now he's not idling. Oh, it's because they're named different. So I need to go adjust the names on the code. Still work for player. Here they're just named the same though. That's why. So I need to import the library here. But it's already added. Rename needs to be identical. So I just rename them in the other one. Can I just get rid of that? Global? That should work. Sick. That should work. Thank you so much. Huge. Wait, only one hand's animating. What happened? Body road. It broke. Oh, right. Because I named this differently. It should be front hand. Both. I think. Things manage, load. Let's do it one more time. Okay, it's already added. It's fine. Idle. Sweet. Okay, I think it's working now. Sick. I think we're good. Thank you so much. Now they're using the same animations. Oh, okay. I'm exhausted. Brain hurt. We've gotten a lot done, surprisingly. I was expecting to just get frustrated and go to bed early. Thank God for Captain Foodlord. Thanks for stopping by, dude. You've been a huge help. Woo! Thanks for the follow, dude. Awesome. And thanks for the nice messages. I hope it's a success too. I hope I can just finish it. That's the goal. Well, it has been. Ooh, Captain Foodlord's following again. Yes, because I switched scenes. It's been a pleasure. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I hope you have a good night. Get some water. Get some good rest. See you next time. Adios. Bye-bye. There it is again. Have a good one. Nighty night. Yeah, Fubar, maybe if this is a good enough game, we'll remake it GD together. And I'll get an artist and a sound friend if I can finish this prototype. All right. Have a good night, guys. Adios.